Hello, my friends. This is Reverend Kid Holmes. It is time for One Mind Wednesday. Today, April 1st, 2026, April Fool's Day. And the title of this post, I'm not foolin', ain't no foolin'. I am in the works of shifting how and where I post my One Mind Wednesday things that so many of you enjoy. Thank you for that. So this is just the first heads up. This is not an April Fool's joke. I promise you, it is not an April Fool's joke. But what I wanted to share with you is that in my shift to be in better alignment with where I put my energy and where I put my money, is that I'm going to be doing some, I'm eventually, sometime this year, I'm not going to give you a date because I have to do a lot of technical stuff in the background first. I'm going to be moving One Mind Wednesdays off of this platform. See, I'm not even going to say the name. Algorithms and all that stuff, or paranoia or conspiracy, or however you want to look at it, doesn't matter. For me, it feels like a better fit to start doing live videos on another platform. I will share all of that with you along the way, and I will keep this page up for, it's not going anywhere anytime soon, but just so you know, the best thing, the most helpful thing you can do is to subscribe to my e-newsletter, which is on my website, kitholmesmusic.com or kitholmesinc, that's inc.com. And there is a little subscribe button, and that's the best way you're going to get the news. I will be posting here as the changes come, but this is just the first heads up that changes are going to come. It is. And I want to wish you all a happy spring. I invite you all to consider the same thing. This is your little homework assignment for this week. Where are you putting your energy and your time, and especially your money? I know many of you are doing very mindful things with all of those, and I invite you to continue to do so, and maybe just take a little more contemplation time about how much time, how much money you're spending in places that maybe you don't want to be doing. That's all I'm going to say for today. Again, this is not a joke. This is not an April Fool's thing, but I did post it. Just happened to post it today on April Fool's Day. What I want to say is that be kind to each other about that too. I like pleasant surprises, practical jokes, things that make me laugh, not things that scare the Jesus out of me, okay? So be kind to each other if you're doing April Fool's things today. Just keep that in mind, because everybody's nervous system is pretty spent at this point, right? So think about it before you do something that might trigger somebody's fear stuff. You know what I'm saying, okay? I'm not going to ramble anymore. Please subscribe. Please follow me, Substack. All of those addresses are in the description of this post, and much more to come. But that's just giving you a heads up. Things are going to change here sometime this year. I know it's only April. All right. Remember, we are all a part of the one mind, which means we are all in this together. So be kind. Kindness matters. Kindness makes such a difference, even if you don't see it in the moment. Kindness matters. And love is indeed the only answer. Let's continue to stay focused on love and light, taking care of each other, being kind, still being playful, being clever, and all of those silly things. But be kind. Be kind. All right. I love you all dearly. I will see you again next week. Please subscribe. Thank you if you already do. And take care. We'll see you next week.